Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 15th of January 2022. I'm going to show you a video today as to why I'm going to look for the price in Monero to explode, or even could it, right? And we should have an expectation from a charts realm to show us whether or not this market is going to go up in price. Now, it may not be an explosion upward move like that, but if we are expecting the price to go up, I mean, when you want someone to come in and tell you that, well, guess what? This is what I do. I do price predictions on the price chart the simplistic way. I'm not here to confuse you, because I understand that so many other YouTubers are out here hyping up these cryptocurrencies, telling you all that you're going to be filthy trillionaires out here just by buying a cryptocurrency. And that is not the case. Not all the time. Now, if you guys want to join me, I mean, I got the doors open. This community is getting greater and wider every day of all the individuals who appreciate these price predictions. I want you all to come on board if you haven't done it yet, because you will begin to see that this is real simple. There's actually someone out here on YouTube dropping price predictions, showing you where he's expecting the market to go, and he's being fully transparent. So hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel so that you can learn as much as possible, because you can do this for yourself and you don't have to be dependent on me or anyone else out here on these cryptocurrency streets. You don't have to. Check this out. I did a video in Monero on October the 4th. Don't worry about it. If you didn't see that video, you guys can see what my expectations were. Yeah, you can see it. Now, not only that, you can still listen to the video, because every price prediction that I do for the cryptocurrency space is in a playlist. Go to my channel, go to the playlist tab, and scroll down and find Monero. All my videos that I've done for Monero is there. Now, at that particular time in October, I was playing to strength into the market. I mean, take a look at what I said or what I put on the chart. Take a look. Now, I was playing to strength into the market in Monero, right? Cool. But you can also see something else, right? I wasn't massively bullish, okay? I was just looking for the price to come up here towards $300. That was it. I wasn't overextending my price target. I wasn't giving you all a whole lot of fluff and telling you that the price is going to hit $500. Because that's not the type of person I am. I'm going to give you the realistic form as to how high I think the price is going to go. And you can see it. Back in October, yeah, the market topped out around 300, especially on the 25th of October. And from that time, the market in Monero has been coming down. See, this is how you know when to get in and when to get out, and not to be fearful or emotional. Because a lot of people right here on the 24th of October, yeah, they probably got a little bit greedy and said, oh man, we can see the price go up in Monero to 400. I'm gonna keep a little bit on. I'm gonna continue to let the market ride. And then it never went above 300. I told you all that back on the 14th of October. So congratulations, 16.79% profitability from that prediction. Now that is done, that is over. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get off of this particular market for Bitfinex, and I'm going to do a price prediction in the market for Binance. All right, so let me switch this over, because I want us to keep track of the market in Binance. And you guys can even see here, I did a video all the way back July of 2020, and I was playing the strength into the market in Monero even then. Take a look. Yeah, take a look at this. So if I were to get out the market now in Monero, right? Look at where the price is. All the way up there around 220. That's 246% profitability, even in that realm. Now the market topped out all the way up here around 525. That would have been 718% profitability. So that's cool. That's done. That is over though. That's well in the past, and we're not going to dwell on that. So let me see something first, because do you want to know whether or not the market in Monero is in a trend? Are we seeing this price maintain this trend? We need to figure this out, because if so, then we know of a surety that price will always go up as long as this price stays above this trend, right? So far we are seeing the price in Monero stay above that line, but it's not that much though. So we still need to be on guard, right? So let's see what else is going on in Monero here on a closer basis. Can you see something else? Do you see something else? Just by looking at the chart. I want everyone to focus in on this area right here. Okay, this is the floor. This has to be the floor. This has to be the spot that the buyers need to come in, because if they do, guess what? We're golden. Yeah, we're going to expect the market in Monero to continue to do this then, at least. Yeah, trade sideways. As long as the price stays above 180 bucks, that's good. That's the floor. If we ever break though $180, then guess what? You need to be bearish. You need to start expecting the price to continue to go a lot lower in Monero. Yeah, just by looking at that one line right there. Now, how do I know that? Because I want everyone in our community who follows me to understand that the market always gives us information every day that it trades. And the market has shown us numerous times in the past that $180 is a likely point to where buyers come in and try to prop up the price. So under any circumstances of price breaking $180, you need to know that the price is going to go a lot lower. The buyers are no longer there. They left. Okay. So seeing that the price in Monero is still able to trade above 180, seeing that the price is still trading above that ascending line that I had earlier on the chart, we need to feel at least a little bit more stable in our prediction then. This is what the market is telling us, that if anything, we're at least expecting some continuation of movement sideways. Not a bullish trend, not a bearish trend. We're looking at a sideways trading action for Monero right now. Okay. Which would translate over into us not really seeing an explosion in price. But this is Monero right here on the 3-day. Okay. So you guys can still see it that we're stable. I'm not massively bullish to the market in Monero. I'm not massively bearish. I'm just looking for the market to trade sideways. And currently, with this high volume, we're seeing the price close off of the highs of this 3-day price bar. Yeah, that lets me know that there's still some selling going on in this market. Okay. Which is also quell the amount of strength that is coming through in Monero. That's the 2-day. This is the 5-day. Okay. We got 7 hours and 6 minutes left, but still we need to focus in on where in the world is this price going to go in Monero. And right now I'm not really seeing too much, right? If you don't see a lot on the chart, it simply tells you that the market is not a play. If you don't see anything that's worth profitability, whether it's going up or down, you just need to sit the sideline. Every day is not an opportunity to get in and play. The market will let us know where it's trying to go and we can actually participate with it. Okay, so right now in Monero, is it going to explode? I don't think so. Let's see this on the 15-hour. Okay. Do you see anything here that will substantiate the price exploding in Monero? Seriously. Because right now I still see weakness on the hourly time frames. Okay, now maybe we might see a bounce here. And we know relatively soon, maybe like 216, 212. And then we may see the resumption to higher prices in Monero. But as of right now, I don't see nothing. So what I'm going to do in this particular video is I'm not going to put a price prediction on the chart, but what my prediction is for the market to be stable. Is for price to stay above $180 right now and for it to trade sideways. That's about it. Okay. And I'm telling you right now, on the 15th of January, price breaks 180. You know what to do, or at least you know what the expectation is going to be. Yeah, it's going to be continued weakness. So I'm going to keep this line here though, but I'm not going to drop a price prediction on the chart. I want to show you all that when you come in and surveil a market, and there's nothing there, you don't have to feel pressure to come in and do a trade or do an investment. You just simply sit back and wait till the market becomes more attractive and you see exactly what the market is trying to tell you, and then that's when you come in and pounce. This market right now in Monero is not giving me that. I'm just looking forward to trade sideways momentarily. Now, if you know how to scalp a market, if you know how to trade on an hourly basis, yes, there will be plays in between those time frames. But this is not what I'm doing this video for. Okay, so now it's your turn though. Even though I'm not putting a price prediction on Monero right now, you can still do it. You might see something that I haven't seen yet that you might want to address to the rest of the community. Go ahead and do that. The section is open. The comment section is open. You can let everyone know where your price target is in Monero over the next month. Throughout the month of February, going into March, where are we going to go? Tell everyone your thesis. I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.